Welcome to General Chemistry 2 class. This section is on chemical kinetics. This lesson is about the effects of catalysts on the rate of reaction. Let's begin. In this lesson, we will explain activation energy and how a catalyst affects the reaction rate. Recall that one requirement for a reaction to occur is that the reactants must possess enough energy to overcome the energy barrier called the activation energy. Catalyst is a substance other than the reactant which speeds up a chemical reaction without itself being consumed in the reaction. With this property of a catalyst, it is reusable and can perform its functions in speeding up several cycles of reactions. The catalyst is especially reflected on the chemical reaction by writing it above or sometimes below the arrow. In the question reaction, copper 2 ion is the catalyst, while in the second reaction, manganese dioxide is the catalyst. The catalyst does not lower the activation energy of a reaction. Instead, the catalyst provides an alternative path with lower energy barrier to produce the products. Since the catalyzed reaction with the catalyst has a lower activation energy than the uncatalyzed reaction with a catalyst, more reactant molecules proceed towards product formation upon collision. Consider example of the left. Suppose that the process of interest in reaching location B from location A, the usual means less doing rather, this is to by trekking which will take you several days to probably weeks. However, traveling by air or by riding a helicopter can take you a few minutes to reach the destination. Comparing the example to the role of a catalyst in a reaction, the helicopter acts as a catalyst, which helps you reach the destination faster by providing an alternative way, but it does not reduce the distance between your origin and your destination. In the next lesson, we will discuss the different types of catalysts. To summarize, a catalyst increases the rate of reaction by providing reactions and alternative paths with lower activation energy to form the products. And that's all for the bibliography. Thank you. Welcome to the General Chemistry 2 class. This quiz about the effect of catalyst on the rate of reaction. Let's begin. Number 1. Determine if the statement is true or false. A catalyst lowers the activation energy of a reaction. Number 2. Determine if the statement is true or false. A catalyst is a substance other than any of the reactants. Number 3. In the reaction, ethylene gas plus hydrogen gas in the presence of palladium and carbon-yielding ethane gas. Which of these substances is the catalyst? Select the correct answer. Number 4. For the reaction J plus L yielding P, whose rate law is rate equals K times concentration of J times concentration of L. Which of the following substances is the catalyst? Select the correct answer. Number 5. For the reaction J plus L yielding P, whose rate law is rate equals K times concentration of J times concentration of L. Which of the following substances is the catalyst. Select the correct answer. Number 6. For the reaction J plus L yielding P whose rate law is rate equals K times concentration of J times concentration of L. Which of the following substances is the catalyst? Select the correct answer. Number 7. For the reaction F plus L yielding J whose rate law is rate equals K times concentration of F squared. Which of the following substances is the catalyst? Select the correct answer. Number 8. For the reaction F plus L yielding J whose rate law is rate equals K times concentration of F squared rather. Which of the following substances is the catalyst? Select the correct answer. Number 9. For the reaction F plus L yielding J whose rate law is rate equals K times concentration of F squared. Which of the following substances is the catalyst? Select the correct answer. And lastly, number 10. For the reaction F plus L yielding J whose rate law is rate equals K times concentration of F squared. Which of the following substances is the catalyst? Select the correct answer.